Wellness not only present in this hall but everywhere else, from today should call Wellness Guru. Yes or no? I didn't hear it. Yes or no? Yes, yes. Professor Peter has already said about the achievements. I don't have anything to add. But I can vouch and I can say this, that just on a single plant like Noni, there is no bigger organization than what we have here. In the world, this is the only organization which is a single plant. All other organizations, group of medicinal plants, group of horticultural crops, group of agricultural crops, and what not. But this is a single plant on which so many organizations are revolving around only for the benefit of human beings, for the benefit of humanity and wellness of the mankind. You will be happy to know that Indian Council of Agricultural Research has agreed to include this particular plant in the syllabus of horticulture and medicinal plants at undergraduate and postgraduate level in all agricultural universities and agricultural colleges, and I am making efforts that it should be taught in all Ayurvedic colleges and all medical colleges. I would be happy if it is included in the syllabus below high school, so that every child going to the school knows what this wonder plant is, what are its benefits for health benefit and economic benefit and benefit for the prosperity of the nation, prosperity of the world. And for that reason, we have established now International Society for Noni Science. I would only say that he is going to live not only for 100 years, 150 years, what I said day before yesterday, but maybe 1,000 years. And in Hindi we call Jio Hajaron Saal. So 3 cheers to Professor Peter. Professor Peter, long live Professor Peter. Long live for the humanity, long live for all of us, for every one of us, and for the entire world, for the cause of health and wealth and wellness. We appreciate him, our gratitude to him, and we pray that he continues to serve forever, for all the time to come. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Amma Vanakkam. My salutations to the mother. She must be a proud mother today. You know the famous Tirukkural says, the duty of the parents to their children are to make them foremost in the society. And the duty of the child to the parents is to make the parents proud of them. That is, தந்தை மகட்காற்றும் உதவி அவையத்து முந்தி இருப்பச் செயல், மகன் தந்தை காற்றும் நன்றி இவன் தந்தை என்கொலான் பெற்றான். That is how proud it must be. So the mother is proud of the son is mother of the mother. What a combination. And Professor Peter is a self-made man. He didn't inherit greatness by way of wealth. Our